Hello friends, I'm here to share my experience with you. One of my relative, very close relative, was suffering from OCD, that is obsession compulsive disorder. OCD means a person is obsessed with many things what he does into his day-to-day life. This happens to a person when the person is into a very great depression but cannot wobble out his feelings. My patient was suffering this thing from last 5 years. We visited to very well known psychiatrists, not one but many of them. Everybody had suggested me to keep the patients on the medicines. We referred the medicines, we gave the medicines to the patient. The medicines only had drugs and steroids. From 5 years my patient was from on medicines, but there were no results, and we were so worried because the patient was started suffering many side effects from the medicines. The patient always used to had a headache, the patient always used to sleep because of the drugs, he used to feel drowsiness, tiredness, and then we were so worried. One final day, it was our good luck that we met Tushar sir. And when I had a talk in lockdown with him, he just told me, when you have kept patients for 5 years, just keep it for more 5 weeks. I assure you that your patient will be all good without medicines. When I heard it, confident what he had in him made me trust him. The first session, the first week when we started, it was awesome, hilarious, and superb. And my patient had started recovering. Later, my patient, with his confidence, with the talk with Tushar sir, he stopped his medicines, what he was continuing from last 5 years, just with 1 week of healing. Then all of a sudden, there were a week that the patient was going little down, and I got little worried, and I started harassing Tushar sir. But then yet he just told me one thing: keep patience. I assure you that your patient will be all fine. And then 1, 2, 3 weeks just passed on, and we started seeing the recovery into my patient. It was like that the patient never had anything. The patient had become so normal. The person who used to sleep for 3 days, constant 3 days without food, without eating everything, and started just working happily. The person, when he used to get up into the morning, had a very charm on his face, was happy, and he just had forgotten to do all the depressive activities what the patient used to do. The third or the fourth week, we were so happy. Everybody into the family, including the patient, was happy. And then almost it just took 3 months, and the patient is super duper good. And we had referred to so many doctors, so many well-known doctors. They told it'll be fine within years, 6 months, 8 months, this, that, and he was just given the steroids and drugs. But then it was just our good luck, our blessings, somebody's blessings, or God's grace that we met Tushar uncle, and we started with the healing. And I was so happy and so annoyed with his healing that for myself, my family, my house, I learned this healing from Tushar sir, and now I am using this healing for myself, for somebody who is in need, and he is always there as a supporter to me in any problems. And now he's supporting me to do everything in my life, to help people the way he is helping, and I really want to be like him. And thank you Tushar sir for making my relative such good, what was impossible for us, and we had never thought that this is going to happen to us. Thank you sir.